of Kakatiya Public School. Today again I am here with the revision topic water and weather. In our last class, we have discussed about the water and weather. That means water exists in how many forms, children? Water exists in three forms. You know very well. I told about this previous classes like solids, yes, liquids and gases. Okay. So solids, water exists in three forms, and when it is a solid form we call it as ice, and liquids is nothing but the water, and gases is nothing but the vapor. Okay, while explaining the class I told you about how can water exist in three forms. Not only we can do this we can show water in three forms, in nature also. In nature also, water exists in three forms. Water exists in three forms. So, that is nothing but a water cycle. That is water cycle. So, cycle is nothing but from where we start, we end there only. That is nothing but a cycle. If anything occurs in a circular manner, we call it as a cycle. Here, what is a water cycle? In case of summer, in the summer season, water in the rivers, this is a water, rivers and the ponds. Water in the rivers and ponds and the seas, oceans, etc. Water will be evaporated. Water will be evaporated because of the sun's heat. Because of the sun's heat, water will be evaporated and form as a clouds. Water will be evaporated and form as a clouds, and they will be, if they are filled, if they become heavy, when they become heavy with this water vapor, they will be falling as a small drops. They will be falling as a small drops. Small drops is nothing but the rain. It is nothing but the rain, and whatever the rain is there, again it is mixing in a rivers and the ponds. Rivers and the ponds. So that is why we call it as a water cycle. The heat from the sun, the heat which is coming from the sun will be falling on the rivers and the seas water. Here, rivers and water which is present in these rivers, ponds, the seas and oceans will be forming as a clouds. Like means that water will be evaporated. Water will be evaporated, and this all water vapor together forms a heavy clouds. They forms a heavy clouds, and these clouds, when they become very heavy, they will be releasing the water. They will be releasing the water from them. That is nothing but a condensation. Again they will be cooling. Because of the temperature, they will be cooling, and again we are getting water vapor in the form of water. So again that water is mixing in where? In the rivers and the ponds. This is nothing but a water cycle. And not only this is happened in the nature, we can see the weathers and the seasons. We can see weather and seasons. There is a lot of difference, children, between a weather and season. Weather may be changed in a day to day. They can change from day to day or hour to hour. Now we are taking like in rainy season. Now it's a rainy season going on, right? Morning you will be feeling very it is cloudy, and coming to the afternoon it will become very sunny, and again evening weather will be cool. That means weather. We cannot we cannot see the weather for a long period of time. It may change from time to time, day to day. Okay, weather will be changing from time to time, day to day. And but seasons, coming to the seasons, seasons will be for a long period. Seasons will be for a long period. In the nature, we are having the three seasons: summer, winter, rain. Yes, summer, winter and rainy. But how these weathers and seasons are getting affected? By what we are getting the changes in the seasons and the weather. So what are affecting the weathers and seasons? Sun, wind, clouds, rain. These are the factors which are affecting the weather and the season. First coming to the sun. So if you take in the summer season or in any season, the morning and the evening times will be very cool, like cool. But coming to the afternoon, that afternoons will be very hot compared to the morning and the evening. In morning, the sun, the position of the sun will be in a slanting. The position of the sun will be in a slanting in the morning and the evening. But coming to the noon, the position of the sun will be overhead. In the noon is the hottest part of a day because sun will be overhead at that time. That is why we feel it is a very hot in the afternoons. In this way, sun will be affecting the weather. If you take a summer season, you will be having a more heat, and coming to the winter will be very cool and rainy. Some days we won't see at all the sun. That is about the sun. Next coming to the wind. The moving air is nothing but the wind. The moving air is nothing but the wind. When the wind blows gently, we call it as a breeze. When the wind blows gently, like smoothly, like slowly, we call it as a breeze. And if it heavy wind, we call it as a storms. Heavy wind, we call it as a storms, and this is also affecting the weather and the seasons. If you take the wind, we will be getting, when there is more wind, we can see the lightning and the thunders in the sky. Sounds will be coming from the sky. That is called thundering. And light we can see like this. Like these lights we can see in the sky. That is nothing but a lightning. That is about the wind. Next coming to the clouds. Some days in a rainy season especially, you will be seeing that sun is covered with the clouds. Sun is covered with the clouds as it is rainy season, and we cannot see the sun when there are heavy clouds. So because of these clouds we will be getting the rain. It will be disturbing the weather and the seasons. In this way clouds will be affecting. Coming to the rain. Rain is necessary for us. We should have a proper rainfall. Then only we will be getting the food correctly. Rain is a very good friend to the farmer because they need a natural water from the nature, because the plants will be growing properly. And if there is a proper rainfall only, we will be having the good crop and we will be getting the food in a correct time. If there are more rainfall, if there is a more rainfall, we call it as a floods. There is more rainfall, we call it as a floods. And if it is no rainfall for a period of time, is nothing but a droughts. Rain is also affecting the life of farmers and our life also. Rain is also affecting the weather and the season. Okay, this is about the different factors, how it is affecting the nature and the weather. Next coming to the weather affect our life. Weather affect our life. In what way weather is affecting our life? So in weather, the day to day we are having different kinds of weathers. So how it is affecting our life? We are having the seasons. So according to the seasons we will be wearing the clothes. Okay, we will be moving. Like in summer season we will be wearing cotton clothes and will be using the air coolers, air conditioners, etc. In coming to the winter season, to keep our body warm, we will be wearing the woolen clothes. Yes. So and in rainy season, we will be wearing the raincoats or holding the umbrellas when it is raining. We like to eat the cool food items in summer season like a sunny day, but we like to eat drink hot food items in case of winter season. And rainy season also, when the one day weather will be very cool, one day weather will be very hot. So in this way, weather will also be affecting our life in a different ways. So this is all about our revision topic, water and weather. After this video, you will be having the examination. So I prepared the question paper very easily, which I explained in the class. That only I gave as a question paper. Don't worry, you can do very well. So till that time, stay home, stay safe, keep smiling. All the best, and thank you for watching.